What's going on, everyone? Got some snakes to feed. Just got some small mice here. Oops. Got them from an expo. Sorry about that. Just gonna go ahead and get this over with. Give our boy Emmett what he wants. We know he's always hungry. Boom. Ooh. Now that we got him out of the way, go ahead and give one to Marco. Damn, it's wet in here. Where's Marco at? Marco doesn't really like eating on camera. Just gonna go ahead and toss that one in there. Cover him up. See what happens. Our new girl in here, Cinnamon. We're gonna give her a big one. And we'll save Zelda for last year. See what she does. Not for you, bro. Close the lid there. Go ahead and get Zelda fed here. Right off the tongs. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Two. Where's our girl at? See what Marco's got going on. I think I heard her go for it. Yes, she did. We missed it, unfortunately. It's not bad. 3 for 4 so far. It's making 4 for 4. Went to an expo today. I got her a HUD and a bowl. I like matching as best I can. Go ahead and see what he wants to do here. He's been eating for me, I think, like a week or 2 in a row. So that's been nice. Tell he's moving around. Let's get it, buddy. Damn, girl. Got a death grip there. broke its back. What's our boy doing here? He's an odd one.
Mysterious.
Mysterious is a good word for him. Maybe he wants it on the tongs. I haven't tried that in ages. This is how we used to feed him when we got him. And he would religiously eat like this, but he pretty much only wants mice. And he stopped eating, and then we got to a point where we just kind of figured out he likes his privacy. So that's what we're going to give him. I tried. I bet you he strikes in a moment here. Zelda going to work down there. He's already swallowed his. Kind of got him on a little bit of a diet. He's a little thick. Alright, so we're done in one drawer. We ate. We're happy. Haven't swallowed yet, but give her chance. Probably let her be. She's still pretty new here for me.
Yeah, I looked at the goal. Our last video, we got a 4 out of 4.
Yeah, trying for that today, but you know how Marco can be, so.
Yep, mysterious.
Give them some alone time, and that'll be that. We all know what she's gonna do, so it is what it is. See you guys. Thanks.